Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the build and protecting data. You'll need a restore point and a backup in case something goes wrong. Open Settings, then Update and Security, and go straight to Windows Insider Program. This is where you stop the flow of preview builds. You'll see an option to stop getting preview builds or to unlink your Microsoft account. Choose the appropriate action. Once done, make sure to reboot so the system registers the change before moving to cleanup steps. If you recently installed an insider build, use Settings right arrow recovery to roll back within the allowed window. This brings you back to the prior stable release quickly. If rollback is not available, you'll need to reinstall a stable Windows image using the Media Creation tool or an ISO. This is why earlier backups matter. Meanwhile, pause updates and set the update channel to release preview or the stable channel where available, so you don't receive new preview content while you prepare a proper reinstall. After leaving the Insider program and reinstalling or rolling back, verify activation and check for stable updates. Settings right arrow update and security right arrow check for updates. Then clear Insider traces by turning off optional diagnostic settings and removing the account from Accounts right arrow access work or school if linked. If you face problems, run System File Checker and DISM commands to repair system files. And if stability
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.